Okay, hi guys. All right, so here I am again showing you my yoni oil process. And so here I have all the wonderful herbs, 8 different oils, and all these herbs have been sitting here for approximately 3 weeks in this oil. Okay, and this is the yoni 8-in-1 oil. So I have all the herbs in here. And now I am ready to transfer or to separate the oil from the herb. After 3 weeks, enough of the properties would have been extracted from the herbs. And so I will now transfer from the bowl that it has been seeping in into this clear container. All right, so this is what the oil will be stored in and then bottled for distribution. So here we have it, 8-in-1 yoni oil. And if you're wondering what are the 8 different herbs, the ingredients in here: calendula, rosemary, orange, hibiscus, bamboo, cactus, chamomile, and lemongrass. Be free to go and research what are all the benefits of each of the ingredients stated, and you will see that what you're looking at right here in this bowl is a powerhouse. It is a powerhouse. So this is the 8-in-1 yoni oil, aka big Jamaican bamboo pum-pum oil. See it here? 8-in-1. All goodness. Get your yoni oils today. 1-876-502-5528. Big Jamaican bamboo pum-pum oil. Yoni oil. Ah.